Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple and easy method on how to repot a plant. In this instance today we're using a little cayenne pepper seedling. First thing we're going to do is put a little bit of shade on the bottom to help with drainage. And we can top up some soil. Bring it roughly to the height required. A little bit too much. It's more like it. And you just got to chop up around it. Firm it in place. Right, now you've got the size. Remove the seedling. Pop it into the hole, firm it down, and voila, there we've got it done. Well, thanks for watching the video guys. If you really enjoyed it, then you know what to do.